In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Airbnb account. We'll walk through the process on the Airbnb website so you can update your name quickly and confidently. This is helpful if you recently changed your name or noticed a spelling mistake, and it only takes a minute once you're in the right place. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Airbnb website by typing the address directly into the bar. Make sure you see the secure connection indicator in your browser so you know you're on the real site. Next, log into your account. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's your email and password or a connected service like a social login. After signing in, you should land on the Airbnb homepage. Now, move to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. It's typically your profile photo or your initial. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click Account to open your account settings. This is the central place where you can manage your personal details, security settings, and preferences. Inside the Account section, look for Personal Info and click it. This page contains your name, birthday, contact information, and other identity details. It's the area Airbnb uses to keep your profile accurate across reservations and messages. On the Personal Info page, find the option that says Edit Name and click it. You'll see fields for your first name and last name. Before you make changes, think about how your name appears on any identification you've shared with Airbnb. If you're a host or plan to verify your identity, it's best to keep this consistent with your official documents. Also, double-check capitalization and any special characters you want to include so everything looks professional. Enter your new name carefully. Take a moment to review for typos since your name will appear to guests, hosts, and in booking details. If you're correcting a small error, confirm both fields are exactly how you want them. When you're ready, click Save. Your changes should apply right away. If Airbnb needs anything else, such as an additional confirmation, you'll see on-screen guidance. After saving, you can refresh the page or navigate to your profile to confirm the update is visible. That's it. You've gone to the Airbnb website, logged in, opened your profile menu, selected account, clicked personal info, chosen edit name, entered the new name, and saved it. Keep your name consistent with your payment and verification information to avoid delays with bookings or payouts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make the change smoothly.